Alright, so a long time ago, I did some damage. I bought 10 cases at Marshall's. Just kidding, I actually did the quite opposite and only got one phone case from Marshall's. For a very long time, I would always look for iPhone 13 Pro Max phone cases for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and for the longest time I was never able to find some, and now all of a sudden, probably because the new iPhone came out, right? But all of a sudden there's absolutely so many iPhone 13 Pro Max phone cases, and I wish that I still had that phone. Like, I wish yeah, how sad that I only found one case that I liked. And on the bright side, it is a case-made phone case, which I'm actually excited for. It's actually kind of a good thing, I guess, that Marshalls did not have any more pretty ones that I personally liked, because if not, I would have had more cases. Not that that's a bad thing, right? Because obviously I love them. But yeah, let's see the phone case that I bought from Marshall's. The only one that stole my heart, that caught my eye, that caught my attention, and the only one that I brought home with me that day. We're back at it again. I am recovering from some really strong, severe, annoying allergies. So if I sound a little weird, you already know why. I have the phone case right here. This is a case-made phone case, like I did mention. Yeah, this is a squared phone case. I honestly just noticed this right now. If I noticed that it was a squared phone case back at the store, I'm not so sure if I would have gotten it. But here we are, 2 months after I bought this phone case, and there's no way I could return this. So we're stuck with this phone case, and it's pretty cute, and it does have some blue, it has some purple, it has some turquoise. And now we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't know, do you hear this train? The audacity. After a million years, I finally got it. Hello? Alrighty. Hello? Ta-da! If you don't get off of me right. So here is the phone case that has been sitting there for like 2 months. Yeah, here it is. Literally, I'm not even kidding. I'm going to show you a screenshot of the day I got it, and that was literally like 2 months ago. Not even lying. Oh, I wanted to take it all out, but I guess it doesn't do that. So we're just gonna take out the phone case, and it looks kind of pretty. So here's the packaging. Let's read more about it. Built-in magnets work with MagSafe, 10-foot drop protection. Yeah, cool. 10-foot drop protection. Didn't know that a squared phone case would be so protective, but you learn something new every single day. And this is something that I learned. Made with recycled material. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was only $12.99. $12.99. Why did I say it like that? But this is $12.99. I don't know how much it originally was, but $12.99, you know, that was like, heck yes. I'm taking it with me because case-made phone cases are pretty pricey. That's all I know. That's all I can tell you, is that they be expensive. And it comes with a little plastic thingy-majingy. You know what? I was going to throw this on my floor, but I just cleaned. And it was at this moment that I found out something horrible about. What is this? If you know me, you know that glossy phone cases are what I love. The little plastic thing, this little thing fooled me. And I thought this was more on the like glossy side, but no honey, this phone case is more on the matte side. Is it really too late for me to return it? Does anybody know if I could return or exchange anything from Marshall's if it's like past the time, past the 30 days basically? Does anybody know? Because it's like matte. Like I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be more glossy. Like this side, it should have been like this side. This side is way more glossy. If it was like this, it would have been much prettier. I don't know why it's like this. I'm sad. My current phone case is the Sonics phone case. If you have not checked out that video where I show you my new Sonics phone cases, go ahead and check that out. It'll be linked down below in the description. But this is the phone case of the day. Today, you know, this is what I like. The glossiness. It's totally fine. Now we're just gonna put the phone case on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty nice and fancy. This looks, feels. Hold on, wait a minute. This looks like completely clear. I actually don't know if I'm making any sense, but this is nice. So basically, I don't know if this video is capturing what I am seeing with my eyes right now. Here's something cool because the phone case looks kind of clear in certain angles, and then in other angles it looks either like yellowish, bluish. I honestly don't know. Like if the video was not showing what I'm seeing, like I probably sound like I'm over exaggerating or like I don't know what I'm talking about, but I promise you that this phone case is pretty interesting and I actually ended up loving it. A couple minutes ago it really looked like I hated it because it was more on the matte side, but honestly yes, I kind of really like it. On the ear test to see if you could see what I'm talking about, like there it looks a little more blue and then here a little bit more yellow. Basically it's just iridescent and I like it. So this is the on the phone test. This is what people will look at when you're on your phone. Like, hello, no, my daughter's not going to summer school this year. She went last year, but this year not the case. Yeah, okay, bye. But this is what people will be looking at, like if you're on the phone, right? And then you see how it looks clear from there? That is how it looks when I'm looking at it. I don't know if I'm making any sense, and if I'm not, I'm so sorry. But that was the on the phone test, and now we're gonna do a little mirror selfie test. You see how it looks yellow? I don't like that, but it just doesn't look like that in person. This phone case has been fooling me since we were at the store. There's clearly some science behind this phone case that my brain is just not understanding right now. But yeah, it looks different in all types of lighting. That's all I know. I'm not a science type of gal. All I know is that it looks different in different lighting. That is all I know. But the second half of this video is going to be me showing you how I match my phone case to my phone, like the theme and all. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the results. The vibes that this phone case gives me are like dreamy vibes. So that is going to be the theme of this phone. Let me carry on and keep pinning. You see how it looks clear here? Anyways. Alright, so I'm pretty much done doing my home screen, my lock screen, my second home screen. You already know this is pretty easy. I don't know why. I guess I was just like stress free. I was like, you know what? You're just gonna do whatever comes to your mind, whatever you like, whatever you think looks beautiful, stunning. So that is exactly what I did, and this is what I came up with. This is what I liked personally. And well, yeah, let me show you now. So this is my lock screen. The reason that I chose this lock screen is because if you did pay attention to me, if you were listening, if you were paying attention to me, then you know that I said that this phone case looks like it has like yellow, blue like vibes to it, and I felt like this screensaver was just kind of perfect. It matches perfectly the purple. I mean, it has like a little blue purple tinge, like if you know, like it's iridescent. I don't know. I feel like I'm talking nonsense right now, but I hope that you understand, or like if you're patient with me, because I feel like I'm repeating myself a little too much. So I pretty much just felt like this screensaver fit perfectly with this phone case, and that's pretty much point blank why I chose it. Up next we have the first home screen. As you can see, it has Chase Your Dreams, it has colorful, it has a little rainbow, it has just so many colors in it. And then up next is the calendar. We have some dreamy pastel colors. I don't know, I basically chose these because it gave me like that dreamy vibe of the phone case. Like, you know, it's very iridescent, very pastel-y, very colorful at the same time. So I have the little calendar, and I have Positivity is Key. I just thought that was super cute, and the colors that this little widget picture had was everything. I just love the colors so much, and that's why I chose it basically. And then moving on to the second home screen, we have more pastel-y colors, and we have the pastel purples. You can see the first one has a little bit more pastel purple, and it does say be kind to your mind. I just have little bubble letters where it's so cute, and I just love them, and the positivity to it, obviously we love that, we appreciate that, and we love it. And then up next we have take it easy, even a bad day is just 24 hours. Again, positivity, everything. I've been trying so hard to be like in a positive state of mind, but it's honestly so hard because it's just so hard. But and then the next one is be good to people for no reason, you know, just go compliment someone for no reason, like just be kind to people for no reason, you know, just do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the first home screen and then the second home screen. And then like I said, the lock screen, that's my favorite part because I feel like it just matched perfectly and I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. And obviously you can see like the main background picture for this theme, and it's like the sky and like just little stars and clouds, and I just thought it was super beautiful. I'm super happy with how it came out. I feel like it matches the phone case perfectly, and I'm super excited that I finally got to use this phone case because like I said, it's been there sitting there just lonely. But here we are now with a new phone case, a new phone theme for June. And then, well, yeah, this theme is here to stay. Originally I wanted to do another theme, but I guess I'll do it for next month. But I think I'm going to make this a monthly thing where I basically change the aesthetic of my iPhone every month. So yeah. Anyway, that pretty much completes this video, but don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias. I am uploading on TikTok every single day, so if you want to go ahead and check those out, don't forget to follow me. All the links to my social medias will be linked down below in the description. Don't go yet because I do have my shout outs of the day. Today's shout out of the day does go to Jasmine Contreras. Thank you so much for commenting on my last video. I truly appreciate all of your support. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias, my Instagram. I'm pretty much on Instagram the most, but yeah, TikTok has been a must-have for me lately. But yeah, that was pretty fun. Let me know what you think about this phone case because I honestly really like it. At first I was like ugh, but then I was like yeah. And now I could see myself having it on all the time, especially because it is protective. I mean, 10 feet is 10 feet. 10 feet is 10 feet. And like if I drop my phone, that means that it has really good protection. Well, yeah, I'll see you next time. Love you.